Hello everybody, my name is David Dujmovic. I will be teaching you Statistics 1, elementary statistics. This is what we call in the Suffolk County Community College Math 103. This course is of course going to provide you with 3 credits for your major, and you are here to learn. I will help you do that. So let's see a few things that are important for you in the beginning to know. Okay, first we want to log in the MySCC Blackboard. So first of all, you log in the school website. Once you log in the school website and the Suffolk Online option, you will have to log in the Blackboard, which is a separate login, but it's with the same credentials that you use for the school login. Under the top courses that I have, for example, you will find your course. I have organized them by semester, so your course will probably not be organized that way, but you can manage it any way you want it. You will definitely find it. And once you find it, you enter your course, you will see a number of different things. At the top menu, you will see the introductory video. This video I made for you. There are announcements that you want to read. There is also a syllabus. Syllabus is a text file, actually PDF format file, that you can click and watch and read all of the important information, like my name, office hours, my telephone, email, including some course topics, explanation, and the dates for the exams, as well as the textbook. One important thing about a textbook is going to be that you will have the course code, which is here highlighted, and financial aid code that you will need to be able to do the homeworks and the tests. So this is one of those things that are important to know. We will have a discussion of the syllabus separately. I send you an announcement. You should read that. Discussion of the syllabus will be on April 3rd between 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. I will go over syllabus 3 times, at 1 p.m., at 2 p.m., at 3 p.m. If you're not able to join any of those times, I will leave a video of that discussion for you, or you can join and ask me questions up to the 7 p.m. on that day. Video will be posted separately in the week 1. Once we are done with the syllabus discussion, I will post a portion of that video, of course, not all of the 6 hours. You will also find your first lecture. There are 2 videos associated for the lecture, and the introduction PDF file that you could read. We also have other weeks, the same thing will happen in every week. We'll have a video, we have a lecture, and we have homeworks associated to that. We also have a discussion boards for every week, separate discussion. I would like you to introduce yourself in this first week, who you are, to the classmates and to me. And we also have the office hours in which you could come and privately ask me any questions that are in regard to your standings or things like that. We also have a tutoring center. That is a separate thing. You can check that out. That is a separate file, and see how you can get some tutoring. There will be something about it. Of course, you don't need that right in the beginning, but down the road you probably would like to know where that is. So this is how it's gonna work for us. We have 2 separate links that are for the homeworks and the test. All of them leads to the same website. So let me click one of them, and in here you have a link to something called McGraw-Hill Campus. That is where Connect Math, homeworks and tests and quizzes are. When you click on that, you will have the link to the website. It's a little bit slow, and so this is just our textbook. You don't need to do any customization at all. there is a Connect Math link here, not Alex. That would be a way too much for us. Connect Math link. So you click on that, and you will be in the website once you create your account. Now, if you did not, then you will use those two things in the syllabus, course code and financial access code, that you will be able to create your account. Again, that discussion will be in our first meeting on Zoom on Sunday, when we will discuss syllabus and how to do this. You can actually do that very simply. It's not really a particular rocket science. Now, in here you will find immediately your homeworks. Homework number 1 that you need for the quiz number 1. It's a very short quiz. Quizzes are extra credit. Then homework 2, homework 3, homework 4. To work on that, once you complete all of the 4 homeworks, you can do the test number 1. Now we have a particular date for the test number 1, which we can change in case that somebody needs it. Actually, at this time it's open for the whole duration of 2 weeks. Now what we are going to do with this is, you need to work on the homework to be able to take the quiz. You need to work on the homework to be able to take the test. So homeworks are very easy to do. The tests and quizzes, of course, are a little bit different, with a little more requirements. We'll talk about it as we go. So this is more or less how we're going to work. You can definitely use syllabus information about my email and send me an email. So I will respond to that, or post your questions in the about the course in this board about anything you need to know about the course. Now when we go through the topics of the course, then we're going to have a separate session, separate discussion board, separate homework, separate quizzes about those topics. So for example, for the first week topics, we have introduction to statistics. You can post questions here, as long as they're not about the quiz or tests, right? Anything about homework goes, or anything else about the topics. Then for the second week, you have the second discussion board. For the third week, you have a third discussion board. And as we go forward, we will have more of them. Now, some of them are abbreviated, which are based on the topics of that particular week. So, for example, this one is MOCT, that actually means measures of central tendency, and you will see that during the lecture. So, no need to discuss that now, but once we get to the third week, we'll talk about it. That is pretty much it. So once again, my name is Dave Dujmovic. I'm professor in Grand Campus. I teach mathematics in general, and I teach statistics. And obviously, I'm a full-time faculty member here that you can contact in many different ways. Hopefully, I'll see you soon. At least you can send me an email if you need to know anything more about me. Right? I will not be posting too much information about myself on the discussion board. All right. I hope to see you soon, and please follow the syllabus as soon as you can. We have a discussion one more time on April 3rd from 1 p.m. till 7 p.m. The link is on the Blackboard, so you can click on that. I send you announcement as well in the email, so you can check that out. Don't miss too many announcements. I see you soon. Good luck, folks.